Hannah, mother of Prophet Samuel, was insulted by Peninnah, her adversary, mocked by her. When and where? That makes the sense. As per the culture of the Middle East, if a rich man have two wives, he will make two separate houses for them. So once in a year, when they are going together to the temple of the Lord, Peninnah got the opportunity and she utilized that very much and mocked her, insulted Hannah very much. These days also happening the same thing. Hannah's blessing lies in the temple. That is why enemy tempting her to quit going church. More than in office or in your homely atmosphere, you are persecuting, mocking, insulting at the church by fellow brothers and by devil. Why? Because your blessing lies there. Never quit going church, because Hannah found her fortune in the temple. Likewise, you need to fight against adversary and find your fortune in the temple.